equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged from a charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button firmly while simultaneously pulling the battery away from the main body. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that the button is fully pressed down. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the battery compartment with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting the performance of your vacuum. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have it serviced without any hassle. Now, take your new compatible battery and align it with the battery compartment. Ensure that the connectors are facing the correct direction. Slide the battery into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely attached. Next, we need to secure the battery with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the 2 screws that hold the battery in place. Carefully insert the screws and tighten them, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this can damage the battery or the vacuum. After securing the battery, it's a good idea to check the internal components for any dust or blockages. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the cover of the dust canister. Remove any debris and clean the filter if necessary. This will help maintain the suction power of your Dyson V8. Once everything is clean and secure, reattach the dust canister cover. Make sure it clicks into place, ensuring a proper seal. Now, plug your Dyson V8 back into the charger and allow it to charge fully before using it again. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your Dyson serviced right from your home. Finally, test your vacuum to ensure it's working correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. With these steps, you should now have a fully functioning Dyson V8, ready to tackle any cleaning task with ease. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.